In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, Tecsun stands out as a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to innovation and excellence in the field of vacuum coating machinery, specializing in the development and sale of a diverse range of vacuum coating machines. Tecsun plays a pivotal role in industries such as semiconductor manufacturing, lithium battery production, and nanomaterial surface treatment. One of Tecsun's flagship products is the roll-to-roll coating machine. This advanced system is designed for high-efficiency production, enabling continuous coating processes that are essential for flexible electronics and other applications. The Inline Coating System line exemplifies Tecsun's commitment to innovation. This system allows for seamless integration into existing production lines, enhancing productivity while maintaining the highest quality standards. The continuous vacuum coating line is engineered for versatility and reliability. It is ideal for large-scale production, ensuring consistent coating quality across various substrates, which is crucial for industries demanding precision. Finally, the Type PVD Coating Machine represents Tecsun's cutting-edge technology in physical vapor deposition. This machine is designed for a wide range of applications, from decorative coatings to functional layers, meeting the diverse needs of modern manufacturing. So, where do our machines make an impact? The answer is everywhere. From bathroom hardware and home furniture decoration to cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cells and solar cells, our technology is shaping the future. We cater to the semiconductor industry, optical coatings, and even the display and touch sectors. Our machines are essential in manufacturing automobile parts, lithium batteries, and magnetic materials. Plus, we support scientific research with our advanced coating solutions. Tecsun is not just a manufacturer, it is a partner in innovation, providing high-tech solutions that empower industries to achieve their goals. With a commitment to quality and technological advancement, Tecsun is shaping the future of vacuum coating technology.